Hello kids, hope you are all doing good. So today we will be doing lesson number 7 and lesson number 8. Okay, both the lessons, the textual exercises for both the lessons. Okay, so let's begin. And I want to do even these small boxes. If in case I've just left out, might as well, just repeat it with you people. Okay, so let's begin and let's do this first box here, which is on this side. Okay, so you have to tick the correct answers. Okay, so let me just increase the what you say the font of the it is big enough. Yes. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so small plants with woody stems are called as shrubs. Okay, because they are woody stems, hence they are called as shrubs. Okay, and let me just select this. Okay, that's it. Second one, small plants with soft stems are called as herbs. Okay, because they are herbs, they can be just plucked like that, the example that I had given you last time. Number 3, tulsi, lotus, rice or mango grows in water. It's definitely the lotus. I had explained to you that lotus needs lots and lots of water. They are water plants. Okay. Let's move on to the next exercise, which is here, and it's on page 203. Okay, so this exercise is small box here. We must not water or heat or throw the plants regularly. It's definitely we must water the plants regularly. Next one, we should not cut, grow, climb, look at trees. It's definitely cut. Birds, dogs, people, cows build nests on trees. It's definitely the birds. Okay, and now we move on to the next page. It's page 203, and now we're going to do this match the following. Okay, look at the picture and match the columns. Okay, so let's begin. What is this cow doing? It's eating. So the cow, it always eats plants. Okay, so from here I'm going to draw a line to number 2, eats plants. What is this? What kind of a plant is this? Number 2, B, it is a tree. And to be very specific, it's a coconut tree. So I'm going to draw a line from B to number 1 in column B. Next, this looks more of a herb to me because of its soft stems. So from C, I'm going to draw a line to number 4. And then this looks like a rose plant, and rose plants are shrubs. So from D, I'm going to draw a line to number 5. And this, on the other hand, it looks like it's a lotus, and I can see all water. So it's definitely a water plant. Okay, and with this, let me go ahead and mark the second one also. Question number 2, we'll do question number 2 and 3 all together. Okay, so let's begin. Question number 2, tick the correct answer. Big and tall plants are called trees, shrubs, herbs, or plants. They're definitely called trees. Herbs, second one, herbs are small plants with hard, soft, fat, or red stems. It is definitely soft stems. Like I told you, you can just easily pluck it. Next, small plants with woody stems are called trees, shrubs, trunks, or herbs. They are definitely shrubs. They have woody stems, sometimes even with thorns. For example, the rose plant. We get plastics, fruits, eggs, soil, and vegetables from plants. It's definitely the fruits. Lotus, rose, sunflower, or jasmine is an example of a water plant. It's definitely the lotus. Okay, now we come to question number 3. Put a tick if the sentence is correct, or a cross if it is wrong. Big and tall plants are called herbs. Absolutely wrong. They're called trees. All plants grow in water? No, there are only certain plants which grow in water. So again, this is wrong. Plants give shelter to animals and birds? Yes, absolutely right. We should cut trees? Definitely a wrong statement. We should never cut trees. We must water the plants regularly? Yes, as and when required by the particular plant. And now question number 4. Okay, now these answers I'm writing it here only, children, because it's just two examples, and that you'll be able to easily write it in the book itself. Okay, so give any 2 examples of trees. I will write the mango tree. Okay, and I can write the coconut tree and coconut, C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut tree. Okay, E and E. Okay, I don't know why is this behaving like that. Okay, so let's go ahead. Just give me a second. Let me just pull this on top. Okay, there you go. Next one, give any 2 examples of herbs. One is a tulsi plant. Okay, herbs, right? They have to be soft. So I'll just write here tulsi, or you can write even basil. Okay, and mint, they're herbs, M-I-N-T, tulsi and mint. Okay, okay, so let's move on to the next page. Okay, and that is here on top. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now give any 2 examples of shrubs. Okay, so shrubs will be the rose plant. Okay, so R-O-S-E, rose, and jasmine, J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. Okay, and the next one is give an example of a water plant. An example they've asked, so we just need one example, and that is, you can write lotus, or you can write even lily. Okay, the lotus plant, anything. Name any 2 things other than food that we get from plants. We get wood, so that we can make, all kinds of furniture, and paper. Okay, write it here only, children. I don't want you to do this in the notebook. Okay, in the notebook, I'll give you a separate set of questions. And now we come to the next part, and this is the activity. Now, this activity has to be done on an A4 size paper. Okay, and what you have to do is, so you will write on the A4 size paper, you'll write activity. Okay, and you'll write fun with leaf prints. Okay, you'll write activity, EVS activity, write like this, EVS activity, and then on the next line write fun with leaf prints, and that's it. So what you have to do is, you have to take leaves of different shapes. Okay, and it can be any leaf. Here they've given example, neem leaf, mango, and then leaf of a rose plant, anything, whatever you come across with, any kind of shape. Different shapes would be better. Take one leaf at a time, and then what you have to do is, you have to dip that leaf you take the leaf, any one side, put it in the color of watercolor of your choice, any watercolor you can use. Okay, dip that leaf in the watercolor and slowly take it out, and the colored part, okay, where you've dipped that part of leaf in the watercolor, take that and make a print of it on the paper, on the A4 size paper. Okay, and then you very carefully, gently take it out. Okay, remove the leaf. Okay, and then you will see the imprint of the leaf. So do this with other leaves and make a string of leaves, create more designs, so you can make a different you can make designs out of it. Okay, there's no need for you to just take and print and print and print, or you can make it you can take the leaves, okay, put it on a greeting card and make it like a greeting card, so anything, and then you can take the greeting card and stick it on the A4 size paper. Okay, so either you just take the leaf, put it in the color and make a print of the leaf on the A4 size paper, or you can make a greeting card out of those printed leaves and then stick that greeting card on the A4 size paper, right? EVS activity, fun with leaf prints. Okay, this is how you're going to do, and you have to submit this along with the PDF papers, okay, in the month of October, whenever we give you dates. So this activity, along with the PDF paper of EVS, you're going to come, bring whatever the teacher tells you how you have to come, everything together, standard wise they'll call you. So come, okay, put this activity along with the EVS paper and come and submit it to the teacher whenever they tell you. Okay, so this has to be submitted to school, this activity, on an A4 size paper. Okay, so do it and keep it in October, in the last week before we close down. We are going to ask you to come and submit this. Okay, so please, please, please make sure that you are doing this activity. Okay. Okay, so now we go further, and before we go ahead, we'll move on to lesson number 8. Okay, so let's move on to lesson number 8, and let me just move this so that we can choose lesson number 8 from here, and we can move on. Okay, there you go. So we move on to our lesson number 8. Yes, that's it. There you go. Okay, so we finished with this lesson also. Okay, and it is better that again I do these activities because I don't want any problems later saying that the teacher didn't do, or, anything. Okay, so let's go. Let me select. Okay, there you go. So a mosquito is a bird, an animal, or an insect, or a pet. It's definitely an insect because, like I told you, insects have got 6 to 8 legs and mosquito has got around those many legs. Okay, so whales live in water, on land, in trees, in caves. They definitely live on land. I'm extremely sorry, they don't live on land. I thought it's the elephant. I am sorry, children. It's the whale, and the whale lives in water. Okay, the whales definitely live in water. I got a bit confused, so I'm extremely sorry. So whales live in the water. Okay, and now we move on to our next page. Let me see if there is any exercises on this page. No, it's here. Okay, we've done this activity. Now we come to this page. It's on page 211. Okay, dogs, spiders, cows, or crows are called man's best friends. It's definitely the dogs. Next, the sparrows, parrots, chicken, or rats are generally green in color. It's definitely the parrots. Okay, and now we move on to our next page, and I think I've already done this in the class, but I would like to do it again with you. Okay, so let's just finish this off. Okay, the kingfisher, the parrot, lion, or snake is kept as a pet. It's definitely the parrot. And number 2, crow, giraffe, goat, deer eats both plants and animals. It's definitely the crow. Okay, and then we move on from here to our next page, and which is this match the following. Okay, so let's begin with this match the following. So again, from column A, you're going to match it with column B. Let's begin. Lion, what is it? Is it cat? Does it catch mice, or is it a wild animal? A bird lives both on land and water, or it's an insect? It's definitely a wild animal. So I'm going to draw a line from here to here. Next, this is a sparrow, and sparrow is a bird. Next, this is an insect. Looks like a mosquito. My gosh, yes. And this little cat, it's a cat, and it catches mice. There you go. And last one is a frog, and it lives both on land as well as in water. Okay, and with this we move on to the next exercise, which is exercise number 2, and let's begin. Okay, so tick the correct answer as usual. Okay, next, animals that are kept on farms and near our homes are called wild animals, domestic animals, family, or birds. It's definitely domestic animals. Birds, second one, birds fly with the help of wings, legs, claws, or eyes. It's definitely the wings. Third one, animals that live in forests are called wild animals. Number 4, a lion, deer, a hen, or a crow eats both plants and animals. It's definitely the crow. Number 5, a cat, a dog, lizard, or a fly guards the house. It's definitely the dog. Okay, Now we move to question number 3, and here you have to put a tick if the sentence is correct and put a cross if it is wrong. Insects are very big animals. Absolutely wrong. And bears live on land. Yes, they live on land. Donkey is a domestic animal. Yes, it is a domestic animal. Okay, just a minute, children. Let me go ahead. Yes, the next page. Okay. Cats guard our homes. Actually, no, it's the dogs. Goldfish are called man's best friends. Absolutely wrong. It's the dog that are called as man's best friends. Okay. So you can write here, give any 2 examples of insects. So I'm going to write your house fly. Okay. Please write it like this only, house fly. And bees, they're insects. Okay. Name any 2 domestic animals. You can write dog and cat. Very simple. Do it here only. Okay, dog and cat. Name any 2 wild animals. Lion and tiger. Very easy, isn't it? Lion and tiger. Write it here only, children. Write it anywhere else. Name any 2 animals that eat the flesh of other animals. Okay, so again, you can write the same, lion and tiger. Continue, you can write just the same, or you can write fox and wolves. Okay, you can write a fox, or you can write wolves, or you can write again a lion. Okay, or you can write leopard, fox, and if you want a different name, you can write leopard. Okay, name any 2 animals that eat the flesh of other animals, fox and leopard. Different names, children, you can have. And name a pet animal that lives in water. It's the fish. Yes, okay. So that's it for this video. We come to the end. These questions also do it from here. And in the next video, I'm going to combine lesson number 7 and lesson number 8 question answers, which you all have to write in your notebooks. Okay, that I will be giving it in the other video. Okay, so do take good care of yourselves, and goodbye. Bye-bye.